Greetings, everybody. It's Rebecca again, and I want to welcome you to week 5. We're going to continue on our artistic quest this week to look at more art, but this time we're looking at the genre of literature, both fiction and poetry. You'll be happy to hear that we have no project due this week. Yay! So you don't have to worry about that. But there are 2 discussion sections that you are asked to answer this week. The first one's going to be on a literary piece. It's a very interesting piece about the beginning of the United States and how we looked at immigrants and how we had a fairly class society that determined the different ways in which we would react to the idea of the American dream. It's a very wonderful piece. It's pretty short. I think you'll enjoy it. And in our second discussion thread, you'll be asked to look at a poem and to analyze the poem a bit. Now, there's several different links on there. One of my favorite, Langston Hughes, is there, so you can look at him or Anne Sexton or one of the many other poets that are listed. Take a moment, read the poem. It's always a good idea to apply this kind of a reading technique. First, do an initial reading. Just read it to read it, then put it down. Don't think about it too much. I don't know, sweep the floor, listen to some music, and then come back to it and then do a close reading. Look at the words. Are there words that are interesting in the sense of where they are in relation to other words? Is the author defining a term or an idea differently? If you define the idea of the American dream in one way, is the author defining the idea of the American dream in another way? And if so, why? And that's what we call close reading. And then I highly suggest you do a third reading of the piece itself. And this is going to bring everything together for you and allow you to give a better critical analysis of what you are reading. Don't forget, we also have seminar this week. I will talk about some literature, but we're going to be looking at some funky stuff from the 1960s. So I hope to see you there. Otherwise, have a great week, and I will see you on the boards. Goodbye.